Hello, amazing moms. I came to announce that I've got something brand new coming your way, and I am so excited about it. I have been traveling around the country and even around the world, asking teenagers one big question. If you could tell your mom anything without being afraid, what would you say? And let me tell you, their answers, they are real, they are raw, and they just might surprise you. Starting today at noon Central Standard Time, I will be sharing these powerful and maybe even painful responses here at the Amazing Mom TV. But we're not stopping there. Every Friday night at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, I'm inviting all of you amazing moms out there, whether you bring your teen along with you or just tune in solo, to join me for a heart to heart discussion about what these teens are saying. This will be a space for real talk, encouragement, and deeper connections between us moms and our teens. And I can't wait to go on this journey with you. So, check back today at noon Central Standard Time to hear a teen's response. Mark your calendars for this Friday at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. Invite another amazing mom you know, and I will see you this Friday for our first live episode on this topic. And when it comes down to raising teenagers, always remember that, girl, you've got this. See you soon.